Welcome back to another unboxing. We got this Home Depot Turbo pallet for us to show for you guys today. As you see, it's just myself today. This Home Depot Turbo ran $650 at You Pick a Pallet in Mount Vernon. We only got to see what was on top. Everything else basically down is complete mystery to us. So stick around to find out. Please like, subscribe, and we'll just jump right into it. So first thing around top, we have a box of these commercial electric recess lights. These sell really good for us, usually $20–30 a box. And I see two boxes right on top. I believe they're the same, a little different serial number. But two of those are at the top. I did see a couple of these, more of these shelf pull generational lighting. I'll try to scan this and put a screenshot of it. The listing on Home Depot over the corner, but it looks like it's just like some Bascone lights. It's little basic Bascone lights. I know there's one. This is another generational lighting, factory sealed, one piece of tape across it. This is just a flush mount light for like a hallway or a bedroom, closet, something like that. Get my knife out and we'll slice into this and see what we got for you guys. So right here we have a bath and shower chair of Glacier Bay. We'll have to put this together probably and see or check it out. But that's probably easy, 20 bucks right there. Those little shower chairs, they usually sell pretty good for us. Another one of these reverse osmosis systems that GE makes. We've got a couple of these and we've sold everything we got. Yeah, this looks brand new. Yeah, the box inside is still factory sealed, and so is everything else. So that's probably just an open box item. We'll check to make sure, but really good condition item there. Mystery box, I don't know if it's what it's on the box. On the box it says it's the gas vent, but it's been taped many times, so yep, it's just a gas vent, like a dryer or something. Another one of these little Bascones lights. Doesn't sound like it's all good. What is this? Oh, ventilation fan. It just says no instructions and no hardware. That's not that big of a deal. They'll still sell. Ventilation fan, new tone. We're getting a lot of these lately. We've sold every single one of them, so that's not a bad find. Another LED flush mount light. Things like these Home Depot Turbos is they're so clean. Like, they are just really clean. The merchandise inside them is clean, so it works out really good. A Halloween fog machine. Halloween stuff sells year round, so that doesn't worry me at all. We sold all those inflatables and Halloween decorations we got in the last pallet. So, seagull lighting. It's fragile. Oh, it's a Vandy light. I don't hear any glass rattling around at all. Looks factory sealed too. There's only one piece of tape across the top and bottom. Usually a good sign. We have a Milwaukee little rolling stool that go underneath the car while you're working on it. Or yeah. So really nice little roller Milwaukee. Anything Milwaukee we'll take. Let's see here. What is this? Got a DeWalt. I think this will probably be a laser level, hopefully. Yep. Nice. Batteries are still all right there. Instructions are there. Everything looks there. It looks hardly used. So a DeWalt laser level. Really good item there. We love our tools. Another generation of lighting, factory sealed again, or looks brand new. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with this one. Another little 2-light, Vandy light. I don't see anything wrong with that one again. So I mean, all those are easy $20–30 a light. Another generation lighting. This is a 4-pack of like mini pendants that would hang from like a kitchen or dining room. 4-pack of those. Let's see here. Hampton Bay little flush light mount. This one's heavily used. It looks like it's been used, so I'll check that one out. It might just be junk, because that's a cheap light anyway. see. A new tone ventilation fan, a very small one. Looks all there in good shape. This is factory sealed. Well, maybe not. I'll check this out. So, new tone ventilation fan. Looks factory sealed. There's 2 pieces of tape, so we'll check it out, make sure. But there's no shaking, so it seems like probably all there. All those ventilation fans we've been getting, they've all been there. They've all been like, look at brand new, just open box items. So, and then more of these recessed trim lights. There's 1 box. There's another 2, 3. 4. 5. And I'm going to cut this box down because there's even more of those recessed lights down here. Interesting. I wonder what this is. Never seen this stuff. Oh, they're placemats. So it's just like 4 round placemats in there. See, another new tone. These are really nice. These Bluetooth fans, ventilation fans. Check that out. Oh, yeah, that one's been opened. More of those Bluetooth fans. An Arrow staple gun. Sorry about this. Another box of recessed lights. It goes way slower with 1 person. You usually have 2 helpers doing this. Another box of recessed lights. Let's see. Another box of recessed lights. Let's see here. This is, we've gotten these before. These are just a little 19-inch. I think it's 19-inch. Probably is. 19-inch vanity top for bathroom sink. Another one of these Seagull bathroom vanity lights. Running out of room. Another generation vanity light. That's probably not a vanity light. That's just a wall scone light. Flush mount generation lighting. Oh, a garden hose, a really fancy garden hose. I'm thinking this thing has never been used. The way it is packaged in there and everything, I doubt that's been ever used. So really nice garden hose. I don't know what that retails for, but I didn't hear that brand. It looks really nice. It's definitely heavy duty. Airballoon Stewardess Devil 4-pack. So this is a case pack item of something. If I were to guess, I bet these are a case pack of Halloween inflatables. Could be wrong. Yep. Oh, this is cool. My wife's gonna love this. So it's a case pack of Minion inflatables. 1 piece, 3.5 foot tall Minion inflatable, Halloween inflatable. So that's awesome. I would love to get a whole pallet of this case pack Halloween decoration like that. That's cool. And then while we're at it, another one right here, 12-foot Halloween classic giant LED tree. We'll probably open this up and blow it up, unless it's factory sealed. Which I think it is. Not open at the bottom, and they're open at the top. So brand new. We'll sell that right in the box like that. So a nice find there. Those Halloween decorations, like I said, they sell really good all year round. Another flush mount light, a really nice one this time. Potentially a factory seal. I only see 1 piece of tape across it. Another one of these bathroom vanity tops. Another vanity light with a seagull lighting. Another little bathroom skull light, like scone light. I love these Home Depot turbos. There's so much value in them. I don't know how many boxes are here, but for $650, like, you can't really go wrong. Another nice little item here. 3-ton jack stand set of Husky. Those things, they've never been used. They're out of the box, so yeah, nice item there. Nice little Husky jack stand. Oh man, a little heavy item here. I'm not sure what this is. Here's a rattling around. Go ahead and just open this up. I don't know. This is. What in the world? I don't know. A bunch of these parts right here, they have the UPC on them, so I'll scan them and link the description, but I mean, literally the whole box is full of them. Whatever they are. I don't know. Sorry guys, I'm drawing a blank. I don't know. A whole box of those. Whatever they are, they're heavy. And I'm running out of room. Another mystery box. Let's see what this is. Sorry again. Oh, nice. This is case pack. Yeah, this is just like a wrong order, or they just returned it. So these are 2 brand new bathroom lavatory faucets. Yeah, brand new. Both of them are in there. Yeah, nice little find here in the mystery box. Like, this probably got sent to a wrong store, or it got shipped to an address where the customer didn't live, and so Home Depot got it back and they liquidated it. So there's 2 of them in here. I mean, the order receipt is still in here. So I'm not sure what they paid for it. The price isn't on here, surprisingly. Yeah, oh gosh, there we go. Yeah, I don't see anything. Well, this we got returned. So cool, nice find there. Yeah, really nice. 2 brand new faucets, bathroom faucets. Another generation lighting, the flush mount. A ever-built fresh water just a pump, shower well jet pump, so well pump. Can be hit or miss. We got a Wagner paint sprayer. All depends if it's used or not. Because testing these things can be a pain sometimes. Definitely been opened, which usually is not a good sign. Our success rate on paint sprays is usually 50-50. So we'll see. I mean, I'm struggling here. Yeah, definitely been used. So we'll have to plug it in and run some water through it and everything. So probably cheapy right there. Nice little find with spring coming up. Some Hampton Bay outdoor string lights. There's spring coming up quickly. That'll be really nice. Solar power too. A little Sun Joe pressure washer. Not bad at all. Open it up. I don't see any dirt or like grass or anything like that, so that might be just open box. So just little stakes. Probably one of those inflatables. We have a whole box of DeWalt flooring staples. Nice, 7,000 count. These are like usually 50 or 60 bucks new, like these boxes. So depending on how many in there, that could be really nice. GE high flow household filtration system for your water. Open it up just a glance. Looks basically brand new. I checked it out, of course, for missing pieces. So GE water system. We have a Halloween classic willow tree. Definitely some rattling around in there. Another built little sump pump right there. A duct taped, never a good sign, Newtone ventilation fan. Let's see about that one. We get these all the time in these Home Depot turbos. It's really hit and miss in these two, these DeWalt surface cleaners. There'll be definitely a lot of rattling around in there, probably used. Toilet seat. We got here. I don't know, mystery box time. I don't know what this one is. Oh. So we have a Ellen DeGeneres King Duvet cover set. Brand new. Nice. Another mystery box here. Oh, Christmas lights. So a whole wheel of brand new Christmas lights. Alright. We got another Newtone ventilation fan. It has missing parts on it, but who knows. They usually sell even their missing parts. And last but not least, I don't know. Oh, this might be factory sealed. It says a Wagner paint sprayer. There's only one piece of tape across the top and bottom. There's a hole right here. I don't know. So it's a Wagner paint sprayer. It's a Wagner FlexSeal 5000 paint sprayer. So once it opens up, just make sure all the pieces are there. But it looks brand new. So another just extraordinary pallet. I'm sorry it took so long, guys. Appreciate you tuning in. $650. Another great find. Definitely an easy money maker on these. Like I said, check out You Pick a Pallet. They get a lot of these in. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. We'll see you